Hey guys, welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'm gonna do a walk around, start up and drive video for you on a 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Now, this car has just shy of 7,000 miles on it, 6,900 and some miles. I'll look here on the dash and tell you exactly here in a second, but 6,900 miles on a 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Kind of a unheard of type of car. Garage find. Has a matching numbers 350 engine under the hood. 3-speed hydromatic transmission. Silver exterior, as you can see. It's got a black Landau vinyl top on it. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. The air conditioning is ice cold on this car. It's got power front disc brakes, wood trim dash, factory gauge cluster, 10-bolt rear end. All original, it says, with the exception of the tires. Original window sticker and sales receipt, original owner's manual, owner's documents, car's mint condition, it says on here. Real time capsule, believed to be 6,900 miles. And it is a real time capsule. The car is super nice. Look inside it, look at the jams. All original interior. It said the tires, the radio has been changed out as well. The original radio is on the floor in the back seat there. Dash is in great shape. Seat, carpeting. I mean, it's a 6,900 mile car. Paint is very, very nice on it. Again, I didn't paint this car. This is what they say. It's 6,900 miles in original paint. It appears to us that it has original paint on it as well, so I would tend to agree with them. You know, I hate to be that guy that says, oh, it's got all original paint, and then somebody says, oh, it's been touched up or, you know, somewhere, which it could have been. You never know. It's an old car, but it's 6,900 miles, 6,957 miles. Look how crystal clear that is. Car sat in here all night last night. First time I started it this morning. Dash lights work, bright headlight indicator, left turn, right turn. Oh, the clock's not working. There's your radio. Say ice cold. Your ashtray. I mean, you'd expect all that stuff to work on a 6,000 mile car, so I had to check. The whole car is just like that. It's just very, very nice. You go down the road. I'll take you for a little ride here in a minute. You go down the road, it's just like brand new. Now, we didn't touch the engine compartment in the car. Literally, I didn't touch it. I didn't try cleaning it. It's an original mile car. I'm not going to monkey with it and try to over clean it. It just looks the way it is. I have pictures of the inside of the trunk. I'm not going to shut it off now and take those, but I got pictures of it. Super nice inside and under the trunk, under the mat. It's all spackle painted inside there. The original jack and spare, and take it for a little cruise here. I know one thing, I'm going to shut that air conditioning off. Look out. I always like looking out over top of the hoods of the cars. You can kind of see, kind of tells a whole story to me anyway. Just like you would expect it to. Runs down the road, drives excellent. Feels like it might need to be driven just a little bit. It's got a few flat spots on the tires. You can feel it. Yeah, we'll make sure that comes out of it. What a great car. Turn around here, it just brings you right back in time, you know, getting in a 75 Monte Carlo with 6,000 miles on it. So the brakes, my God, it's like driving a brand new one. Come over here and turn around. There's a car coming that way, so we'll do a little loop-de-loop. Probably got a little bit of power. It ain't total dog. Not bad for a 350 factory 2-barrel. I mean, you got up to 70 rather quick. And yes, the flat spots are going away. It's driving and riding a lot different now. Just needed a few miles put on them. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful 75 Chevrolet Monte Carlo with 6,960 miles on it now. Give us a call. Again, 563-452-2450. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.